People think watering is easy. Watering is not easy. Watering is one of the most critical jobs. Anything that is in a container is going to need water every day when it is sunny. When you're watering containers, you really want to get the water into the container so the plant can use the water. Ideally in the morning, but if they're stressed out and they are wilted by the afternoon, you're going to need to water them. You can use water-soluble fertilizer and put it on the end of your hose with an applicator, or hand mix it and put it in the pots. If you don't water and you don't get water in that pot, then it really doesn't matter that you spent the time, you did a great job, and you have the best soil, because it's just gonna all die without the right water.